Hey guys, welcome to Reviewer Family. We received this product to test and try. Let's explore together so it helps in your buying decision.
So this is Garvee large 4-tier wooden folding storage shelf cart with locking wheel. So as you can see, comes in this nice protective box. The good thing with this is that it comes pre-assembled, so you don't have to assemble it. Only you have to attach the wheels, and that too like if you want to. But if you want to a rotating wheel cart, you need to put in the wheels. So here this is how this looks, and this is how this assembled. It's already assembled, actually you have to just expand it. So the hooks goes in this the nearby holes, you see like this, the two holes, so this just fit in here. The same with all other three. So here you can also use it like this way if you want to. So there is these baskets, so you can put like small things that will not fall with the like border, and you can also put like microwave and things on the top side. So here with all these things, they are like that three total shells with this border and the top shelf, so total four shells, and with the wheels. So it's really nice and expandable with the high duty, and you can use it anywhere you want with a nice structure and multiple use. So big top panel for the electric machine, and then for the storage in the downstairs you can use all different type of things. 360-degree rotation, as you can see, easy to move, and then handle. So very nice cart overall, and you can also fold it and put it on the side as I showed before. And yeah, nice kitchen cart, and hope you like this as well.